Gold and silver both traded with a bearish bias throughout the day. You can see silver is in fact gone till towards 23.22 levels. At the same time, gold has stayed almost at around 1930 levels. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. This is the second update for the day. The first update was released with the Asia session, and hence pressing the bell icon helps you keep yourself updated. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now, look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find out after consolidating for a while, it is again trying to give a breakout. This is the first red candle, and there could be subsequent red candles as well. Yes, it has tried to breach below 1930, which was 1932, which was a good support, and now it is traded below these levels. At the same time, you can say it is trading in this channel. 1925 is the next support, which is going to be a very good support if it continues to trade bearish from here. Now, first of all, let's talk about where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at only 1936.5 levels, beyond which 1940, 1945 are the next resistance level, and only if you see it trading above 1945, you can consider that as a reversal and you can expect a rise beyond that. So only buy entry now at 1936.5. Beyond that also one has to remain extremely cautious and watchful for 1940-45 level. If you look at direction movement, this is bearish. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish here. It is almost at a bottom. Trading with divergence is still looking downward. See, it has come back to -4 levels, and see whenever it has gone till towards those levels, it tries to recover. Let's see if it does the same here. RSI at bottom, and if you look at 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour chart, see there was a reversal sign here at this candle. It tried to retrace, however failed to do so again. Traded with a bearish bias. Now if you look at, see the lows are still far below 1925-24 is the next support levels, and hence only buy entry, as I said, is above 1936.5, beyond which 1940-1945 levels are the target, and reversal confirmation is if you see trading above 1945-46 levels, then only you can expect a rise, else it can continue with the top. But since it is trading at 1930 levels, now I will recommend you to sell only at 1925 levels. Now if you see here, see directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom and oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. It has also hit a bottom on the 2-hour chart, and on the RSI you can find it trading oversold and at the bottom. Now look at 3-hour charts. See on the 3-hour chart, first of all, 3 bearish candles, consolidation, and again taking a direction. Also if you look at, yes, it has tried to give a breakout, lower highs, higher lows. This candle is trying to give a breakout, and hence here it can try to sustain this bearishness for a while till 1925 could be the first support level, and below that a further drop cannot be denied. At the same time, if you see it trading above here 1936.5, you can expect it to reverse, and this time the reversal can take it till towards these levels at around 1945-46, which is the greater resistance. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. RSI is also almost at bottom. Now look at 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, to see first of all lower highs, lower lows, which means 1925 levels are still a support, and on the upside if it breaks past this zone, tries to stay bullish, possibly 1940 levels cannot be denied. Yes, we can expect this if it trades above 1936.5, 1937 levels, beyond which little more bullishness is confirmed. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. RSI is also at bottom, and if you look at daily, now look at daily chart. See the size of the candle here and the size of the candle here, because the middle candle is a almost indecision candle, and if you look at the size here, almost $15, and if you see the $15 from here, it comes back to almost at around 1930 levels, and hence it is still trying to get the support at around these levels. Also this is traded outside Bollinger Band. Let's see if it continues here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. It is crossed over again, first red candle here. RSI is also looking at bottom, and hence first point is it has given a breakout below 1940, and now 1940 is going to be the next resistance. So beyond 1936.5 you can expect 1940 levels, which is a greater resistance, and if you see it trading above 1946, then you can expect that it can try to achieve 1957-60 levels also. Hence buy at 36.5 and sell at 25 levels. In between this $11.5. Do not take any position. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver here. See the drop, flat bottom here. Try to retrace, then again the drop. Now again consolidating. Hence below 24.30, yes, 23.30, yes, you can sell here. Expect 23.20 levels, very good support. Below 23.20, it will accelerate the drop till towards 23 and 22.80 levels. Possibility exists here is strong. At the same time, a buy entry is only about 23.50, where you can expect 23.60 levels as the next target, and if it stays about 23.60, more bullishness cannot be denied there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold levels. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. It is trying to converge a bit. See the candle size diminishing here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also almost at the oversold levels. Now look at 2-hour chart. See on the 2-hour chart, first of all, higher lows, lower highs, consolidating here, and hence if you see it trading above 23.50, you can expect 23.60 as the first target, and beyond that 23.70, 23.80 till $24 levels. There is very strong resistance for silver. Directional movement extremely divergent and bearish here on the 2-hour charts, and hence a pullback cannot be denied. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is also extremely divergent and bearish. See, it is almost hit a bottom here. Let's see if it starts to converge from here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trading oversold. Now coming to the 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, rise, retrace, drop, retracement, drop. Now possibly the third wave here. The third wave is having a high at around 23.70, 23.80. So yes, if it stays about 23.50, you can buy, expect. Put a 10 cents trailing stop loss till towards 23.80 levels. Very good resistance exists there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. RSI is also at bottom. And on the 4-hour, now look at 4-hour chart. See, two steps are created. Previous candle, the price failed to stay bearish. Also, it traded outside Bollinger Bands and has got a pullback. Right now, it is showing lower highs. This could be turned a reversal only and only if you see silver trading about 23.50 levels. Then you can expect it to consider for a reversal, and then you can expect 23.70, 23.80 levels also. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is still extremely divergent and bearish. RSI almost trading at bottom. And on the daily chart, now look at daily charts. Lower highs, lower lows, almost it has hit the bottom of the channel. Hence 23.20 certainly is a very good support here. And on the upside, $24. So this is a huge zone. This is a vast zone. We have to still be watchful there. Yes, you can buy here at 23.50 levels. Expect 60, 70, 80 till 80. Very good resistance, and beyond 80 little more bullishness may prevail. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI looking down, and hence yes, you can sell at 23.30 levels, where the selling price, the buy price here, if you see the ask price here is, if you see, is where if you see trading below 23.30, you can sell there. Expect 23.20, and below that $23 levels, and below that further drop cannot be denied there. On the upside, a buy entry is only about 23.50, where you can expect till it to rise till 70 and 80 zone. Very good resistance exists there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.